Omuseneta o Nairobi Edwin Sifuna ni gobo igonere esokirie elio kwamireria enkwana ya nyareko bakigukwano na abarayibe obomobwa Kenya Kwanza ase bagoteba buna nigo okorobekana kweritiko ligoro gutaringe okumurembe ase Sifuna akandire na goteba buna omuroberi bwensi nigo bayoroberetie gokora okorobekana kumurembe abo ase bakorete okorobekana kumurembe kurinde abobisa abakegati yabo atuira marieta nigo babete bakobaocherera ase babaruterete ebirusia maiso nogose chiti ya gas ase boigo atebire buna nigo bagochia kogenda mutu as nakobasoera ase Ipoa elinde baimokeriwe egetambokero.
We feel it is imperative for us to deal with the propaganda and the lies and the mischaracterization of yesterday's events by our friends from Kenya Kwanza. I will address only two things. Number one, was the maandamano of yesterday peaceful? We as the conveners of that event yesterday had planned to have a very peaceful maandamano. We encouraged our supporters to show up unarmed and to proceed peaceably to KICC. We indeed as members of parliament proceeded from these very premises to KICC peaceably and unarmed, but yet were still confronted with tear gas and rubber bullets. So we want to make it very clear that yesterday's maandamano was peaceful in its planning and execution until police interfered. We have seen images, and you people captured them, of police officers firing tear gas, using water cannons on people who are just marching peacefully. What we have decided to do as a coalition is to identify individual police officers who must then bear responsibility for their acts and omissions yesterday. The first one is the OCS for KICC, who was the one ordering his subordinates to tear gas us without any justification. The second one is the police officer who has now become infamous on social media, who was captured aiming live rounds at us on Wabera Street. We have identified him as an officer attached to the DCI in Kilimani. We will also be presenting complaints about those two officers to the Ipoa. Lastly, on the question of whether our maandamano was protected by the law under the Constitution, we know that the Kenya Kwanza people want to mischaracterize us as people who operate outside the realm of the law. We know that under Article 37, all of us indeed have the right to assemble, picket, peaceably march, do whatever it is we want to do. We are challenging them that if they are having difficulty with Article 37, and they always chest stamp and say they have the majority of numbers in the National Assembly and in the Senate, let them bring an amendment to do away with Article 37 so that we can know that we are fully back in the Kanu days. So as far as we are concerned, we are within the law, and if anyone thinks that anybody operated outside the law, they know what to do. Arrest people, charge them, and let's see what charges